Hi viewers, welcome to Rasa Wins Way. Today I am going to make a dal khichdi. For that I have taken 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of moong dal, washed and soaked it in water for half an hour. Here I have taken 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, few curry leaves, tej patta, and garam masala 1 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tomatoes finely chopped, 1 teaspoon coriander and jeera powder, 1 onion finely chopped, handful of green peas, beans, carrot, and capsicum. If you want, you can put tomato also in it. Normally I used to put everything in cooker. After tempering it together, I used to prepare the khichdi. Today I am going to make it slightly differently, the khichdi. First I will add some ghee in the mud cooker. I am using the mud cooker today. If you are using the normal pressure cooker, you can cook it for 4 whistles and switch off the gas. So let the cooker gets heated up. I bought this from Mitikool, this cooker. It's really fun making the dish in it, and I really love it because nowadays I'm using a mud pot and iron tawa and kadai, soapstone, etc. for cooking. Now here the mud pot I have kept it for preparing this masala. Here I have kept the mud cooker for preparing the rice and dal. In this pot I have put 2 teaspoons of ghee. Now we'll put the mustard seed in it. Cumin seeds. The ginger garlic paste. Now we'll put the onion. Here I am using the coconut shell ladle. Just saute the same. I added the curry leaves also in this and the tomato. Now we'll cook this. We'll add turmeric powder, coriander, cumin powder, red chili powder, garam masala, and we'll add little salt in this, hing powder, salt. Let this get cooked. You can prepare this later on after pressure cooking the rice and the vegetables. Since I was ready with the vegetables, I thought I'll prepare this. Now in the meantime, this is getting heated up. We'll put the tej patta in this. And the vegetables. We'll just saute this for a minute. Now we will add the rice and dal in it. Mix well. This is getting cooked. Now in the meantime I have put the rice and mixed it well. Now I'll add the turmeric powder in it. Then required amount of salt. We have put salt in the masala. So here I'll add around 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix well. Now I have kept water for boiling. This water I will be adding to the rice. This cooker has got a lid like this and a washer. Then a handle to close it tightly. Now the water is heated up, so I'll add the water. For 1 cup rice and 1 cup moong dal, I have taken 6 cup of water and a half cup I have added. We'll mix this together nicely. Bring this to boil. Then we'll cover the cooker. It has started boiling. Now we will cover the cooker. Now we have to place the handle like this and fix it. Just tighten this. Sit here. See, you have to just tighten this like this. And now cook this rice. Just cook it for half an hour and check. We can open the lid and check it. This is not like the pressure cooker, so we can always have a watch on it. In the meantime, this masala is ready here. I have switched off the gas and kept it covered. Now let us wait for the rice to After 20 minutes, I opened the cooker and checked the rice is cooked nicely. We'll remove the tej patta from this. It took only 20 minutes to cook the rice in this. It's nicely cooked. Now I'll cover this and keep it. Just before serving, I will mix this with the masala which is already prepared and kept so that you can serve it hot. Now we have to mix the cooked rice along with the masala. So this rice is very thick, like we need to add little water to make it a semi-solid form. So I am adding hot water in the masala. Now we will mix the cooked rice in it. Mix it well with the masala now. We need still to add some water in it because it is too thick. So hot water is added again in this. Spice according to your requirement you can add. We eat a little less spice, so I have added less chili powder. You can add green chili, red chili while tempering. Now let this cook for around 10 minutes. After mixing it, and serve hot along with any kind of raita, papad, pickle. After garnishing it with some chopped coriander leaves. Check for salt because we have added water in it. Salt is required, so I am adding another half teaspoon of salt in it. Mix well. Let this get temper cooked. It with a little garlic and onion. I have taken around 3 garlic finely chopped. Added to the ghee. 2 teaspoons of ghee I have taken. Instead of the normal onion, you can also use the Madras onion. That is the sambar onion, and fry this and pour it on top of the khichdi. Just saute this till it is brown in color. I'm adding a pinch of black pepper powder in it. Hing powder. This has come to a boil after mixing the masala. Around 4 to 5 people can have this khichdi. Now we'll pour the onion fried in this. Mix well. For children, you can put a blob of butter on top of it and serve. Now lots of coriander leaves. I love this. So I have added lot of coriander leaves in it. Mix it. Now serve hot. I love onion raita with this, but I am preparing this for dinner, so I haven't prepared the raita. So in the night we don't eat curd, so putting with the ladle. The khichdi is ready to serve. I'm serving it along with papad and the cluster beans. I boiled with salt and turmeric, and after draining the water, I have sun-dried the same, and this I have fried it, and along with papad I'm serving this. You can also serve it along with pickle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself, and do put your comments in the comment box. Thank you so much.